us to come and treat us. So when we get here, we treated so.
We need an ambulance. I have had occasion to watch your performances in the past before COVID-19 that I think was in Bungoma. I also did in 2018 and 2019, and I have first-hand experience of the quality of your performances. And I have no doubt in my mind that it is world-class. I have watched with satisfaction the latent talent, and I am convinced that there is a lot to achieve in performing arts. I have enjoyed the performance. We have been educated on a lot of pertinent and contemporary issues that continue to affect our society. Drama operates at the level of aesthetics and morality. Some of the themes presented here touch society to the core, and many of the performances here have spoken to very critical aspects of what we are as a society.
Drama and arts and the creative economy continues to be a social intervener in terms of shaping the way people behave and the way they think. It was through song, dance, and drama that young people were able to help the people of Kenya to deal with HIV and AIDS. There was a continuous narrative, continuous performances until the people of Kenya appreciated the danger that was posed by HIV and AIDS. I want to urge our young people, the content creators, to continue having social interventions to help the Kenyan people.